Here we are today, and today I'm going to teach you how to drive the Suzuki Aero. Quick little test drive. It is paddle shifters. It comes with the front and the rear. You know, it's a little bit icy as you can see, but you know, we'll probably be able to get through this. The roads are a little bit icy right now, but I think when we get on Robertson, we'll be really able to test this baby out. And but when I do call it baby, it is a baby. It wants to be up there with the big boys, and somehow it can't. Would you here take this, Miguel? Would you please take this? Now, as you can see, I'm starting to, you know, you gotta put your foot on it, press on it, and let go. Release the brake. There's no car coming. And here we go. It's a pretty nice car, you know. You can get pretty fast. It gets like 28 miles a gallon, and get pulled over by the cops. You know, it's pretty good. It's pretty good right now for a test drive. So the first thing you want to do is put it in a first right there, and then quickly turn, and then from there put it full throttle. Going 60 right now. It's pretty fast for 45 mile an hour. Right now, as you can see right now, we're going to show you a little bit of the interior. You got, you know, the time right here. We got the radio right here, nice beautiful plastic. We got the air vents right here, the hazard lights. You know, let's go ahead and check out the cooling system right here. Right now it's pretty warm because, you know, it's December. Right here it's beautiful dirt style thing to put on the shifts. As you can see right now we're in drive, and it has drive, neutral, reverse park, and second drive, and the L. We're not so sure what that is right now, but we will be able to test it out soon in our next video. As you can see, we got nice 2-inch subs in the front. Pretty big if you ask me.